you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if this is your first time visiting this channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss any of my videos. Right now, I am going to use this bowl to make rice water. Yes, rice water. And this is a bag of rice that I will be using, and you can use any brand of enriched long grain rice. And I have my bowl here, and I thought I was going to use a half a bag, but I decided to go ahead and use a whole bag. But it's at your liking, what you want to do. So I decided to go ahead and use the whole bag, and now I am going to add water over in the bowl. Just a little water so that I can go ahead and rinse off the first rice residue. Yes, I am going to rinse. I'm not going to use the first batch water because that was my mistake at first when I first made rice water. So you have to pour the first residue off your rice before you wash your rice for the remaining residue of your rice. That's what you want. So this rice water is to help stimulate the growth of your hair. So this is what I will be using on my hair for hair growth and thickness, shyness, softness, or to remain that black color in my hair. So I'm pouring off this water, and I'm going to refill the bowl with water. But this time I will be washing the rice with my hands. And that is the residue that you will want to keep. So right now I am washing my rice. But you can wash your rice any way that you would like to wash it. You can put it over in a jar and shake it up, or you can just wash it by hand. So I am removing the rice from my hand just by dipping my hand over in the water. So now I am going to take the bowl of rice water and to go ahead and pour it over into a saucepan, which I am going to boil. Yes, you guys, I am going to boil this rice water. And I am also going to add orange peels over in this water. But you can use lemon peels, tangerine peels, or any citrus peels that you would like to use. So I have an old orange that I found. I said, well, let me just go ahead and use this orange and just take the peel off and use that. So I'm placing it over into my rice water, getting ready to boil it. of course, go ahead and cover your saucepan. And I'm bringing it to a boil. I'm not letting it overboil, but just to make sure that my orange peels are softened. And after you boil your rice water, you're also going to let it sit up about 5 minutes. I mean, that's the way I did it. But you can do it however way you like. Okay, you guys, next I do have a mason jar, which I am going to pour my rice water over in along with the orange peels. And I am also going to add an essential oil over into this rice water, because you guys, you know how rice water smells. Yes, it smells horrible. So I am going to add an essential oil over it in it. And I do have lavender, which I did get both lavender and wintergreen from Hobby Lobby. This is a 100% pure essential oil. That's lavender, but I will not be using the lavender. I will be using wintergreen 100% pure essential oil, and it says stimulant. So I feel that, you know, it may stimulate your scalp, you know, your hair for hair growth. So I am going to drop about 10 drops over into my rice water. So you guys, I am going to let it sit up for maybe a couple of days, and then I will come back and do a review on me, not a review, but a tutorial on me using it on my hair. And I am also going to use my rice, leftover rice, to make rice paste or rice mask for my hair as well. So by me using this wintergreen essential oil over into this rice water, it will help the smell. Yeah, it will help the smell, because I don't want no gross smelling stuff on my hair, which I will be rinsing it off. So you guys, go ahead and make rice water. You can go ahead and make it the same way I'm making it, or make it, you know, however you would like to make it. So this is for hair growth and thickening. So thank you guys so much for watching, but come back. You never know what I may have next for you. Bye-bye.